welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's been a hot minute since I filmed a YouTube video. I took an unplanned YouTube break for a really long time, and oh my god, time flies like seconds. But anyways, I'm back filming videos. I'll be posting videos every other week on YouTube from now on. If you're new on this channel, hello, I'm Aarati. I'll be posting videos every other week on YouTube. Do follow me on all my other social medias. I'll leave all the links here. But yeah, if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. You guys know all the good stuff what to do. And that's it. Today's video is all about this beautiful look that I created. It is a pink smoky eye. It's a soft, subtle pink smoky eye. I love this so much. This is my go-to for any event or parties that I go. I love this. It's a very soft, neutral, yet so pastel. I love this eye makeup really much. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And this, I'm gonna try creating using only one brand of products probably. But let's go. If you're already here, you know which brand I'm using. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. And without any further ado, let's get on with the video. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline FITMe foundation in the shade 322. I hope my camera is focusing, but let's see.
Let's cover a ball. Mirror over here, so that is where I'm exactly looking. So just if I'm looking down. This foundation is like the perfect match for my skin. I'm the exact shade number 322. I love this foundation. It sits like my skin. I have no issues with this. Let's go.
Dab and done. For concealer, I'll be using the NYX HD photoFocus concealer in the shade CW06.3. This is a little brightening concealer. I like this a lot more than the FITMe concealer because I couldn't, the FITMe concealer kind of dries my skin out. So
let's try to remove the eyes. A little over here. Let's go into the ball. Now let's go to Ellie.
I'll be using the Maybelline FITMe powder matte and poreless in the shade 222 True Beige. I love this so much that I'm already hitting pan on it, but I love this. This is really good for using it as a compact or even as foundation sometimes. I like this too much. So let's go. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and just set it a little, not much because I'll be using my bronzer and highlighter. So yes, it's just like I'm gonna just whirl out the brush with this and I'm done. I'll be using the FITMe powder just as a base on my eyes, and then I'll be using this shade over here. I love this color. It is super pigmented. I like it, so I'll be using this.
Using this color all over my eyelids, like really soft. After this, I'll be taking this darker shade.
I don't like to do a lot because I love this shade. It turned out to be really pretty, really soft and very subtle, giving that slight hint of shimmer. I like this. I like how my eyes look for now. For blush and contour, I'd be using the Maybelline Master Contour in the shade 20. It's for medium to deep skin tones. This is how the palette looks like. I really like it. It works really good for Indian skin tones, especially Alright, I'll be taking my blush and
so while I'm applying my brush, I like to apply it on the cheekbones and then just take it up to here. I really like how it looks on my skin. Gives that flush, really beautiful flush. And yeah. Nobody says there's nothing like little blush. So I love this too much.
alright, and I'm done. I don't know whether the camera is capturing. I love the sheen that this gives. It's really pretty. Then I'm going to go contour, and for that I'm using my contour brush and this shade. Love it.
Never forget to contour your jawline. That is the most important. And yes.
The next step we have is a highlighter, and for that I'm using the Maybelline's Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love this shade so much. It is very pretty, very pigmented on this face. So I'll take my fan brush
and just a little. Ooh, I love this so much. You guys have no clue about it. Oh my god. A little on my shoulders. Ooh la la. A little on my neck. And done. Almost done. I like how it looks. Oh my god, it's very beautiful. I love it.
The next step is the mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Sensationals waterproof mascara. I like this. This is the most long wearing I have actually gotten to a mascara. I like the hyper curl one as well, but those tend to drool down my eyelashes faster than this, so I'm sticking to this. And
let's go. I really like how dramatic these look on my eyes. I love this.
last thing is lips. I am using the Maybelline SuperStay ink in the shade 115 Founder. I love this. Just because my eye is a little subtle, I want to go for a bolder lip, so I chose this. I love this shade so much. And it stays for 24 hours and no budge. The only issue with this is if you're a if you have dry chapped lips, it is gonna grip your skin off. It is really drying on your skin. But I love this so much because it does not budge. Stay like this, give it a little time to settle. It's gonna take its own time to settle for about 5 minutes, and then no budging. I love this so much. You just put it in the morning and you're good to go for the entire day. I love this. To lock in all of my makeup, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Paris setting spray, and let's go. And there you go guys, a soft smoky pink eye 1 brand tutorial using all Maybelline products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like my video, subscribe and share among your friends. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.